Aduku Aro. With effect from today, December 26, 2019. Congratulations. And it is my honor to decorate you. All right, I'll give you the microphone.
On the chance I know them are good.
Praise the Lord. Praise the living God. Okay, la yo tin envelope. Aso me kupa makale kidnapper. Owo Yedora is doing on her behalf before Manga Awadi.
Praise the Lord! On behalf of my mother, our mother, the awesome God family, we congratulate her and thank her for remembering her services in give her support of 10,000 naira.
No money. No money. Our senior citizen, I can give 50,000 now per every night.
Congratulations. Another support.
Praise the Lord. And my support to Evangelist Sheila Pastor with the sum of 20,000. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm coming down, though.
I'm